Showcase your products for sale. If you have a service agency, or run an e-commerce store, for example, you can post pictures and stories on Instagram regularly to showcase your products. Also, you can mention the link to your e-commerce site. It will help you create brand awareness, drive leads, and get more sales. But when posting Instagram pictures, do not forget to add all relevant hashtags, as they work as keywords. People search for trendy products on Instagram. So adding hashtags to your post caption will increase your audience's chances to find your profile. Apart from increasing sales for your e-commerce website, blog, and service page, high traffic will increase your Instagram follower count. It happens due to the audience's tendency to follow an account on their first visit if they find relevancy.